All right, now we're already on a roll with hybrid architecture, so let's talk about something coming out of Nvidia, a new paper, TIDAR, not to be confused with TLDR, but it is a proposal for a new hybrid architecture for language generation that combines two existing paradigms. We talk about these all the time: diffusion-based models, in this case a diffusion-based token drafting model, and a normal autoregressive model like next token sampling, right? Whenever I think of images, I'm like, oh, it's probably a diffusion model. And then whenever I think of, ChatGPT or Gemini, I think it's probably autoregressive. It's, next token. Now, sometimes I hear about diffusion models that work with text, and that's interesting because you actually get the entire paragraph right away, and then it kind of reorganizes. It's like fuzzy. Sometimes the text is kind of wonky and it kind of like reorganizes itself into a final paragraph, but it's also super fast. I don't think it works as well in general for intelligence tests, but combining the two where the model maybe thinks as a diffusion and then it talks at the end, well, that might make sense. So diffusion language models excel at parallelization, so they can get all the right tokens onto the screen really, really fast, in a sense. Like they can quickly get you some of the way there. And that can dramatically speed up a query to some kind of a future, Gemini that's built this way. But then you usually get a little bit less quality. So these models actually generate tokens one by one with high coherence and quality by combining the two in a way where there's a single forward pass. So it thinks via diffusion, drafting many token candidates all in parallel, and then it talks via autoregression, so sampling the final tokens sequentially. And what happens when you actually build this thing and test it? You get 4.7 to 5.9x more tokens per second. So it would dramatically drop the cost. And it would keep quality almost the same. And if you don't have to trade off speed for quality, that means we'll get really fast, really intelligent responses.